Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO M5s and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down in order to find sound and vibration. Let's enter. And as you can see at the top, actually, we've got the section with the notifications, ringtone and the alarm. So here we can change the sounds. Let me show you how to do it using the phone ringtone. Just tap on it. And as you can see, we will be immediately transferred to the Xiaomi themes, so the app from the developer, and here you will be able to check the ringtones. Of course, you can check the ringtones which are defaultly installed on this device, or which are let's say online, so you will need the internet connection. And as I said, here we've got the local ringtone, pre-installed ringtones, and here we've got some kind of top ringtones which are online. Of course, you can pick something from those options. I think I will pick maybe pre-installed ringtones, because local ringtone is simply the option which will transfer you to your own files. As you can see here, you have to allow to access the photos and media on your device, because it will simply find the any compatible files if you've got any downloaded. So let me enter the pre-installed ringtones, again pick the ringtone, and as you can see, we've been transferred to the list of defaultly installed ones from which we can choose. At the top, we've got the option don't set ringtone, which simply means that your device, after picking this option, your device will not use the sound to notify about the incoming call. And here we've got the plus icon, so if you will decide that you want to pick your own ringtone, then you can do it using this plus icon. So, as I said, here we've got some ringtones, and basically all you have to do in order to listen how the particular ringtone sounds is to simply tap on it. And as you can see, it is immediately applied. So, anytime you will tap on the ringtone to listen to it, it will be automatically set as your default one, as you can see again. So basically that's all. This is how to change the ringtone. As you can see, it is notified right here, so it means it works. So and that's how to change the ringtone in your POCO M5s. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.